rings for women men. Fitness tracker ring with LED display screen. Sleep tracker ring compatible with iOS/Android activity tracker/heart rate/SPO2/sleep/step. Size and systems before you buy. Please measure your finger or purchasing a sizing kit before purchase smart ring to accurately determine your size. The Smart Ring Men is available in 8 sizes, ensuring a comfortable, secure fit. Using the sizing kit helps you avoid returns and exchanges, ensuring you select the right size before purchasing. Our Smart Ring Women are compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 and above systems. No subscription app fees required. 2025 new version fitness ring with touch display and multifunctional LED display. Experience seamless device management with a high-definition LED screen and intuitive touch control. With a simple tap, you can effortlessly monitor essential data such as time, step count, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and battery without needing to constantly take out your phone. Designed for ultimate convenience, our fitness tracker ring is perfect for work and fitness. All-day health monitoring. The health ring can monitor your heart rate, scheduled blood oxygen saturation, daily exercise, sleep monitoring and analysis 24 hours a day to ensure that you are always aware of your health status. The fitness rings for women also can accurately record your steps, distance, and calories burned. You can view daily, weekly, and monthly health data in the app. Make data-driven decisions for a healthier lifestyle with this all-in-one wellness tracker. Gesture control for TikTok and remote photography. Our smart rings include a remote camera function, enabling users to control their mobile phones to take photos remotely. Enjoy easy control with air gesture functionality. Simply wear the health rings for men and use gestures to browse TikTok, take photos, turn pages in ebooks, and navigate through apps. This sleep tracker ring allows you to enjoy a more convenient interactive experience. Lightweight and compact fitness rings for men with IP68 waterproof durability, weighing only 3.5 grams. This smart ring is ultralight and comfortable for all-day wear. The Smart Ring Men also IP68 waterproof, making it perfect for swimming, running in the rain, or intense workouts without worrying about water damage. Whether you're outdoors, at the gym, or in the pool, our Smart Ring Women remains functional, helping you track your health and fitness in any condition. Long battery life with convenient charging case. Our fitness rings for men comes with a charging cable and comes with a mini charging case. Easily charge it with the compact charging case that also serves as a protective storage box. Take it anywhere you go, whether at home or on the move, for ultimate convenience. It can be used continuously for 3 to 5 days with just 1 hour of charging and standby time of 10 to 15 days without the hassle of frequent charging interruptions. Fast Bluetooth connectivity and no subscription fees. Effortlessly sync your Ring Health Tracker with your smartphone via Bluetooth in seconds. You can conveniently manage and view your data directly from your smartphone. The accompanying Ring app is completely free to download and use, with no hidden charges, ensuring you can easily monitor your health and fitness data without any additional cost. Enjoy a hassle-free setup and an intuitive experience right from the start. Perfect gift for lover and friends. This stylish health rings combines technology and care, making it an ideal gift for those you cherish. The Sleep Tracker Ring's sleek design and practical features go beyond a simple gadget. It's a meaningful gesture of thoughtful care. Empower your loved ones and friends to prioritize their well-being. We have dedicated after-sales service. After purchasing our products, if you have any usage or quality issues, you can waterproof, windproof, easy setup, double-layer family camping tent with 1 mesh door and 5 large mesh windows 10*9*x78 in. Brand UNP. Product dimensions 120L x 108W x 78 inches high. Item weight 18 pounds. Floor width 10 feet. Recommended uses for product camping and hiking. Shape square. Occupancy 6 person. Seasons 4 season. Included components rainfly. Water resistance technology waterproof. Mesh. Imported. Roomy 6 people family tent. Spacious design offers enough room for 6 people family, with a size 10*9*78 inches. 2 air mattresses or 6 sleeping bags are well fit in the tent. 78-inch center height is enough for you to stand up changing. 5-minute setup for 2 people, no particular skills are needed. 1 person could also set up the tent easily in 10 minutes. The portable carry bag is 24.6 by 8.26 by 8.26 inches. The camping tent weighs 18 pounds, ideal for family car camping or camping site. Breathable mesh windows. The camping tent has 1 large mesh door, 5 mesh windows and mesh tent top, which allows the breeze to come in. All the mesh windows offer great views and ventilation. Quality material: the polyurethane hydrostatic rated coating, high-tech, waterproof, 4 steel leg poles, and a rectangular roof make the tent more firmly, stable, and windproof, ideal for outdoor camping, hiking, and fishing in all weather. After-sale service: UNP Camping Tent offers unconditional watts laser engraver desktop diode 240 watts output with integrated enclosure, camera and air assist for batch process, 600 mm per second, laser cutter and engraver machine for wood/acrylic/metal. Ideal for cutting professional. 2024 Class 1 newest Creality Falcon 2 Pro integrated enclosure 40 watts laser engraver machine with intelligent 2 adjustable beams, high output power, high containment safety, intelligent focus, accurate positioning, 1 key control, wide applicability characteristics. Based on the above, the laser engraver and cutter machine's speed to rapidly realize mass production is perfectly suited for professional players and sole traders. Native 40 watts output and 600 mm per second speed. Our Falcon 2 Pro laser engraver output power 40 watts, machine power up to 240,000 milliwatts, works of utility upgraded again. Can one-time cut through 20 mm basewood board, 30 mm black acrylic board, 0.15 mm stainless steel plate. Meanwhile, the cutting speed upgraded to 600 mm per second, the real high-speed batch cutting, compared with other mainstream products to enhance the double, to complete other power products cannot complete the work. Pursuing perfection and exploring imagination. Boolean and camera with intelligent focus. Creality 40 watts laser engraver and cutter machine with practical large space batch automatic positioning function, built-in a camera above the center of the product in the shield, USB connected to the computer, preview into the picture, intuitive and efficient, significantly improve the success rate of creation. Compared with others, users no longer need to manually measure the distance between different works, and can be operated intelligently with one key. Class 1 certified and several security protections. Creality Falcon 2 Pro 40 watts laser engraver for wood and metal is equipped with a flame detector, dual wire limit switch, safety lock, emergency stop button, and laser detection cover. 5 safety features. In addition, transparent design, a full metal frame, fully enclosed structure, covered with fireproof fiber cover, to isolate smoke, dust and noise during the creation process, allowing you to devote your charging station with Cryo Boost, phone cooling wireless charger, 15 watts Qi 2 MagSafe charger stand for iPhone 16/15/14/13/12 series, AirPods 4/3/Pro 2, Apple Watch. Certified fast charging with Cryo Boost, officially Qi 2 certified. 15 watts MagSafe iPhone charging gives you safer, faster, and more reliable charging, with Cryo Boost technology to keep your phone cool and charging at maximum speed. 3-in-1 MagSafe charger stand, power all 3 of your essential Apple devices simultaneously, declutter your desk or nightstand, and simplify your daily charging routine at home, the office, or while traveling. Only compatible with iPhone 16/15/14/13/12 series, AirPods Pro/3/2, Apple Watch Ultra, Apple Watch Series 8/7/6/5/4/3/2/1, and Apple Watch SE 2.1. Certified made for Apple Watch. Watch charger is officially certified and remains unaffected by watchOS updates, providing safe and reliable fast charging. Strong magnetic lock. 1,000 grams of magnetic force keeps your phone securely in place during charging, while built-in magnets in the watch charger and AirPods pad ensure instant alignment. Portable Apple Watch charger. Small, lightweight USB-C charger allows easy magnetic wireless charging for your watch on the go. Cordless rotary toolkit. 4 volts, Neopulse motor, 5 variable speed, 25,000 RPM, Revoster hub, 35 accessories, power tool for sanding, polishing, drilling, carving, DIY crafts. Whisper Powerful. The Fanic F2 Master features a brushless hollow cup motor that reduces noise by 30% compared to standard motors. Maximum speed, 25,000 RPM. It delivers stronger performance and less heat. 5 adjustable speed settings make it easy to handle various precision tasks. Revoster hub. No more searching for attachments. The F2 Master features a 360 degrees rotating magnetic stand with 35 organized accessories, making DIY tasks like grinding, polishing, drilling and engraving easy and convenient. Mini and portable, weighing just 0.22 pounds, its lightweight design is perfect for on-the-go creativity. The durable aluminum case resists rust and features a one-click pop-out design for quick and easy tool access. Stylish and practical, seamless integrated speed control button, waterproof and dustproof for easy cleaning, adaptable to any work environment. Innovative LED speed indicator displays real-time settings for precise operation at every step. USB-C charging, universal Type-C port charges fully in 60 minutes. A rear power indicator turns red below 30%, keeping you informed and worry-free. The front LED light provides extra support for DIY tasks.